ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಶೀರ್ಷಿಕೆಯಡಿ ಜನವರಿ 31ರಂದು 19ನೇ ಆವೃತ್ತಿಯ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ವಾಕಥಾನ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಸಮರ್ಥನಂ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್, ಫಾರಂ ದಿ ಡಿಸೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಓಪನ್ ಟೆಕ್ ಸಹಯೋಗದಲ್ಲಿ 19ನೇ ಆವೃತ್ತಿಯ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ವಾಕಥಾನ್ ಅನ್ನು 2026ರ ಜನವರಿ 31ರಂದು ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ತಿಳಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ನಗರದ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಕ್ಲಬ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಂಗಳವಾರ ನಡೆದ ಪತ್ರಿಕಾಗೋಷ್ಠಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಕಥಾನ್ನ ಅಧಿಕೃತ ಟಿ ಶರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಬಿಡುಗಡೆಗೊಳಿಸಿ ಈ ವಿವರವನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಟಿಸಿದರು. ಜಯನಗರದ ಕಿತ್ತೂರು ರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ರೀಡಾಂಗಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಬಾರಿಯ ವಾಕಥಾನ್ ಜರುಗಲಿದೆ. ವಿಶ್ವ ವಿಶೇಷಚೇತನರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಈ ನಡಿಗೆ ಆಯೋಜಿಸಲಾಗುತ್ತಿದ್ದು, ಈ ಬಾರಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಎಂಬ ಧ್ಯೇಯವಾಕ್ಯದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಸಮಾಜದ ಎಲ್ಲ ವರ್ಗದ ಜನರಿಗೆ, ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ವಿಶೇಷಚೇತನರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಹಿಂದುಳಿದ ಸಮುದಾಯಗಳಿಗೆ ಸಮಾನ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಅವಕಾಶಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಸಮಗ್ರ ಯೋಗಕ್ಷೇಮ ಒದಗಿಸುವುದು ಈ ಮ್ಯಾರಥಾನ್ನ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಅಂತ ತಿಳಿಸಲಾಯಿತು.
The walkathon welcomes participants across age groups, abilities and backgrounds, transforming walking into an act of solidarity and shared responsibility. Nearly 2 decades on, the Samarthanam Bengaluru Walkathon stands as a living legacy shaped by its history, strengthened by partnerships and driven forward by purpose.
Warm welcome. Good afternoon. Let me first thank Manoj sir and Pushpanjali madam for continuing their support to organize 19th Open Text Bengaluru Walkathon. ಸಮಯ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಈಗ ವಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ. ತಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, 2005ರಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಪ್ಟನ್ ಮ್ಯಾರಥಾನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯಿತು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ, ಮೇಯಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಅವತ್ತು ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ನನ್ನ ಗೆಳೆಯ ನಾಗೇಶ್, ನಾನು ರಾತ್ರಿ ಅರೌಂಡ್ 12 ನಾವು ಯಾಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾರಥಾನ್ ಕಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ವಯಸ್ಸಾದವ್ರಿಗೆ, ವಿಕಲಚೇತನರಿಗೆ, ಬಟ್ ವೈ ಡೋಂಟ್ ವಿ ಡೂ ಇಟ್ ವಾಕಥಾನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ವಾಕಥಾನ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಧ್ಯೇಯ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, ಒಂದು ಥೀಮ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಮೇ ಡೇಟ್ ಬರ್ತಾಯಿತ್ತು, ಮೇಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ 3ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ವಿಶ್ವ ಅಂಗವಿಕಲ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ 2ನೇ ಶನಿವಾರ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ವಾಕಥಾನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವತ್ತು ನಾವು ನಿರ್ಧಾರ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡು ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಇಯರ್ ಆನ್ ಇಯರ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಬೀನ್ ಡೂಯಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್. And every year we come out with one theme which connects to disability, which connects to social causes, social issues. How do we raise awareness about it? How we contribute to mitigate that in our own way, involving everybody, all people from different walks of life. Starting from corporates, government, various departments, media, schools and colleges. So we invite everybody. And it's also one way of showing solidarity with people. So this year it got late. They may be asking, December early hoytala illa sir enaytu ee sarti we had women cricket tournament for the blind, which you all overwhelmingly supported. Celebrations are still on. Our girls are being invited, felicitated all over. They were also part of our Republic Day celebration. Honorable Prime Minister, the Government of India, Ministry of Sports invited the team, and Chief Justice also felicitated them day before yesterday. So we wanted to do it very big. So internally we decided to host this walkathon January 31st. So Saturday, please all of you do come, show your solidarity. And it is a very special event because entire Indian world champions who won the World Cup, entire 16 girls are going to be there. They will be walking with the team, walking with the crowd, and lot of corporates will join, education institutions will be joining, senior citizens are joining, and children and people with disability, without disability, everybody will be walking together. And the theme is health for all. Arogya yari beda, everybody needs good health. So health is very, very important, and that is the biggest challenge. So we thought we'll continue the theme of last year, and also we are so fortunate Open Text said you are continuing the theme and we'll continue to support you. Just not support title. So really nice, Madam Sir, Padili Madam, thank you so much for your continued support as a title year on year and your partnership with Samarthanam for close to a decade. I think it means a lot. So Samarthanam is growing to serve more, expanding to different locations. And many children have come and ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಕಟಣೆ ತಮ್ಮ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಸುದ್ದಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದರಿಂದ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಸಮರ್ಥನಂ ಬಂದು ಸಮರ್ಥನಂ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಸೇವೆ ಲಾಭನ ಪಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟು ನಾನು ಮೀಡಿಯಾ ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ತಂದೆಯ ಸ್ಥಾನದಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರಾಮಲಿಂಗರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಸಾಹೇಬರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದು ಮತ್ತು ಜಯನಗರದ ಶಾಸಕರು ರಾಮಮೂರ್ತಿ ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಅವರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಅನೇಕ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಟನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಕಂಪನೀಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್. ಸೊ ಕೆಲವು ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ತಮ್ಮ ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಸಾರ್ವಜನಿಕರನ್ನ ಆಹ್ವಾನಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ನಾವು ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಹಾಯ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗೆ ಸದಾ ಇರಲಿ. Once again, my big thanks to Open Text.
Thank you very much. So Dr. Mahathir sir and the whole Samarthanam team. I would say I have been truly blessed for the association we had with Samarthanam. And this is the second year we are sponsoring this title event. And I must say that whenever I have been associated with Samarthanam for this event in general, I've always felt inspired, always felt that I'm part of this family. And similar to what I think the theme which was there last year, and it is an inclusive theme for all of us, health for all, that really motivates us. So the intent of the walkathon is to bring all the communities together to ensure that the disability inclusiveness is there for real, to ensure that the health for all is not just for the saying, not for just for the awareness, we really mean it. And I think going to the partnership with Samarthanam, it has been there for more than a decade. It's a long-term partnership and I'm sure it will continue for years to come. And we support Samarthanam for the skill development, for education and various other things, for underprivileged youth, for persons with disabilities. And we feel that every program we do with Samarthanam, we actually see the actual passion coming from the team. We actually see the impact coming from the team. So that's why we get motivated each time to do more and more. The last event we did, the first time we sponsored this walkathon, we had more than 10,000 footfall. And those more than 10,000 footfall, I'm sure it will be much more than that. That more than 10,000 footfall doesn't mean the 10,000 here. With amplified voice of press, with the great support from all of you, that reached millions of people across India through the great coverage you provided. So which basically means that the cause of disability inclusion, the cause of health for all is further amplified with your great support. So with that said, our association with Samarthanam will continue. We really feel proud to participate in every Samarthanam program and we want to support this mission for long term. So thank you very much.
So much. Firstly, lovely to see such a great gathering, and as everyone has mentioned, the word of mouth is not enough if we don't have the press by our side. So thank you so much for showing up today. I think much is already said. We are very proud to partner with Samarthanam again. And since the relationship is a long-standing one, we do want to participate in anything that promotes the cause of inclusivity. And health, of course, should be seen as a privilege. It should be seen as like a fundamental right and something that's should be accessible and inclusive for all. So which is why we connected so deeply with this cause, and we really want to support this, and please spread the word, and thank you so much for making this possible and who does all the hard work and heavy lifting for us. So thank you so much for doing all that you do. I hope.
First of all, I'd like to thank Open Text for the continuous support, and I'd like to take this opportunity to invite all for the 19th Bengaluru Walkathon. It's happening on January 31st in Kittur Rani Channama Stadium. See you there. Thank you.
ಇದಾಗಿತ್ತು ಲೇಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಡೇಟ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ನಷ್ಟು ಸುದ್ದಿಗಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ 26 ಕನ್ನಡ. ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ.